What are your expectations for Keeogo?
At first, I thought she could wear something like a robotic suit, like RoboCop. That would help her walk, but maybe her legs were too weak, so at that time, she couldn't wear the device. It felt too heavy for her, and she couldn't use it. So, the center here suggested trying a more traditional approach, like massage therapy. That's why I decided to work together with them.
Do you know what Keeogo means?
Keeogo, as far as I know. In my impression, it is just a brand. Mainly, it uses these robotic devices to help patients walk for those who are completely unable to walk.
Facing the issue of an elderly family member getting injured, what suggestions can be provided?
I think if there is a fall, and then being bedridden, unable to walk, at this time, treatment should not be given up. We must find a way to help them stand up again, to be able to straighten their legs and stand up again. Learn to walk. They must learn and do it continuously. It can't be done just for one day and expect results the next day. That won't happen. At the beginning, it might be that you have to do it with them every day. Some physical therapy, through continuous effort, most patients, I think, can gradually regain their function.
Why did we initially consider letting 97-year-old Auntie try Keeogo's physical therapy?
Because I myself have experience with physical therapy. I've done it before, so I have a lot of confidence in this area. Because other medications or methods can't achieve this, you must use physical therapy to strengthen their muscles, to make them stronger, and improve their bones. This is the only way.
继续前进，继续前进。